Justice and Community Policing for Women and Children is underway in Bakau. The two-day forum, organized by the Female Lawyers Association, the Gambia, in partnership with Konrad Adenauer Foundation, brought together women and youth from all regions across the country to discuss issues relating to the protection of women and children in the Gambia. Details in this report by Alhaji Mbai.
The capacity building, organized by the Female Lawyers Association of the Gambia in partnership with the Program for the Rule of Law in Sub-Saharan Africa under the Konrad Adenauer Foundation, seeks to strengthen access to justice and community policing for women and children in the Gambia. The Vice President of the Female Lawyers Association of the Gambia, Yasin Senghor, discussed the importance of the forum.
We as an association are committed to promoting the rule of law and protecting the rights of women and children in the Gambia. We work to advance gender equality through advocacy, legal aid services, and capacity building initiatives. We recognize that including gender-based violence, sexual harassment, cultural and institutional barriers, female genital mutilation, and limited access to education, healthcare, economic marginalization, etc.
The Director, Rule of Law Program for Sub-Saharan Africa at Konrad Adenauer Foundation, Ingo Badorek, assured the Foundation's commitment to supporting initiatives meant to promote the rule of law and access to justice.
The colloquium that brings us together today is based on a reflection on how to strengthen women's and children's rights and access to justice in community policing in the Gambia. Violence against women and children is pervasive and widespread all over the world. According to the latest WHO figures, and the Gambia is no exception in this regard.
The Vice Chairperson of the National Assembly Select Committee on Gender, Children and Social Welfare, Honorable Fatou Cham, assured her committee's relentless commitment to enacting laws related to women and children.
As represented, as well as ensuring gender-sensitive, demographic and healthy survey report. The Gambia Bureau of Statistics reported that up to 9% of women between ages 15 to 49 in the Gambia have ever experienced sexual violence, which almost 40% of ever married women have been subjected to their physical, sexual, or emotional violence by their current or. But to us, the figures are unacceptable.
The forum will also discuss cultural and institutional barriers to access to justice. This, according to officials, will promote the rule of law, thus Alhaji Mbai, GRTS News.
Officials of the West African